Hey guys, it's Tim here with Goat Reviews, and today I'm excited for us to be opening and testing this Tavolo Ice Sphere Mold set of 2. Now we're actually going to be putting a rather common myth to the test regarding ice, and it's one you may have heard of. Apparently, if you boil water prior to freezing it, then the ice will come out crystal clear, which isn't typical for ice. Usually it comes out a bit cloudy. So we have our 2 molds here. There is some rather simple instructions included as well, and having a quick look, the bottom is made of plastic and the top is made of rubber. So to test our myth, guys, here's the plan. This one on the left, I'm going to fill it up with regular old tap water and chuck it in the freezer. Alongside it, I've got some water boiling right now as we speak. So this one's going to be filled up with boiled water, and that's going to go right next to this one in the freezer. Once they're frozen, we're going to check in and see whether there's any difference and whether one's clear or whether they're both cloudy. So let's find out. Alright guys, now just before we chuck these in the freezer, just so we don't get confused, I'm just putting a piece of paper towel in the boiled one so that we don't lose track of which one it is. So we're going to chuck these in now. And as you can see, we have the molds loaded into the freezer. The one at the front here with our paper towel to identify it is the boiled water one, and the one at the back is the normal tap water. So we're going to check back in 6 to 8 hours and see if there's any difference. Hey guys, we are back and it is the next day. I will admit I had to re-pour these because I checked in on them too early and they were not ready, but they are now ready to go. It's been like 12 hours plus. And you may notice the big tub of ice cream that was here is now gone. I swear, I don't know what happened to that. But either way, we're going to take these over to my desk and examine the results. We've just run these under a little bit of warm water as per the instructions. So let's recall we have the left is regular tap water and the right is the boiled water as indicated by that little paper towel we left. So I've got my beverage here on hand, some iced tea. We're going to bust open the one on the left here and take a look at the results. Wow. Okay, so it's kind of popped up a bit. Look at that. Wow. Okay, not too bad. So as expected, it is a little bit cloudy. I'm not sure what this white stuff is actually. It seems to rub off a little bit, but anyway, that's it. That's our regular tap water. So we're going to pop that down just there. Now let's have a look at the boiled water. Okay, I wonder if it's any clearer. Ooh. Okay, let's get this out. Gee, it's stuck in there pretty well. All right. Well, what do you reckon, guys? I reckon that is actually maybe a little bit clearer, but it's nothing to write home about. The only difference really is that there's this weird white stuff on the outside of the tap water one. Maybe that's sort of minerals from the tap water, and perhaps boiling it actually got rid of those. So this one does actually look a little bit clearer. Alright guys, we're back and I've given them a little bit of a chance to melt. So let's do a side by side here. Remember, the one on the left is the tap water, looking pretty clear in all honesty. It's mainly the center and the bottom that's a bit frosty. And the boiled water here did turn out a bit smoother, but overall it's not really a distinguishable absence of clarity compared to the tap water one. So not that big of a difference, not really what I was expecting, but glad we've done this experiment. Let me know what you guys think, which one turned out better. Thanks for watching and take care. Now for all my loyal viewers and subscribers, you guys are legends and I hope you liked the video. I've left a link to the item for you below and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.